What is this?
It's a bee. The rock bee.
Oh, Zakwise. What do you see, Bang? Okay, we are at the mall.
We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
Abang,
What is a beach? A beach cake. P-T-E-R-C-R. Beach. Carly, 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 Daddy. Oh, Mr. Daddy.
Mr. Dodi.
Did you do nothing? That Mr. Daddy, this is emergency.
It was closed yet. We are not allowed to go in, so we decided to go to this Chinatown. It's not really a lot of food stalls yet, so we tried to have the kids while waiting for the gate to be open. So this is the entrance of this like a Chinatown. It's nice. It's a very nice place. So it's not really a lot of people yet because they just opened this one, but it's not in full blast yet. So when we enter, this is what we see. See, it's still closed. Some food stalls are still closed. So they have at the entrance, there is a little bridge, and then see, it's a beautiful day for the kids to enjoy the feel of Chinatown. And then under the bridge there is water that has some fish in it, and the kids enjoy looking at the fishes, and we can go over that and walk. At this time we see the stalls are not yet open, so the kids were amazed on the fish in like the river pond, something like that. And yeah, Lumi and Zach, they really like animals, so they are really amazed on how this beautiful place is. See the fish, there's small fish, golden fish, like a small koi. So we continue our journey. The kids enjoy the freedom. So it's not really a lot of people again. They actually counted how many people are coming in. So it's still close. It's actually for sightseeing yet. And they are inviting some businessmen to go and check. Floor. So we walk from Chinatown to this place. It's very nice architectural design, and this is how it looks like in the front. It's so big. So this is the entrance. So we have to like climb up a bit, and this is what we see on top of it. It's not allowed to play there for the kids because it's all like stones or rocks. Very nice place. You can relax, you can have running, you can jog, you can do exercise or cycling here. And it's very long, all the way there and on the other side as well.
Okay, wow.
Halo mah asik lu ngomong. Lu enggak gayanya Andi lu gaya YouTube bukan gaya TikTok. Kan beda orang-orang
Akhirnya kami ke sini. Oh, udah.
Is this the whole beach?
Okay, where are we going, Bang? What? White beach. Nah. Look at that.
Jarang berhenti, semuanya pada berhenti sini, makanya gak dibolehin. Kalian tahu
So
mereka
this one is really ocean or beach before.
This is ocean
Oh,
before.
it was a sea before, guys. Guys. So they.
Lapis-lapis semuanya
Wow,
berapa?
look at that. This one, it was like a beach line before.
No, it's not beach. It's a sea.
Oh, sea ocean. Like Moana. Wow. It's very windy. It's like Manila Bay that we
What's the beach? I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach.
Wow. So this is under sea level though. Angel.
What? What is that? What? What is that? What is that?
Finish your look at the airplane over your car.
Goodbye, airplane. Okay, which one? Is the airplane or the airplane? With the airplane. We're outside with the airplane.
It's like going to the airport.
Tanya. Pak, kalau ke pantai itu lurus. Oke, makasih Pak.
Lurus lagi kita, montok belok kanan.
Nanti kalau banyak nanti lalu di administrasi sekian Pak. Aduh berisiknya gue. Gue tinggal di mobil, gue pulang aja deh.
Because Zach has a lot of questions, keep asking, where is the beach? Where is the beach? That's why Daddy was joking that he will stay in the car.
Sampai difoto-fotoin sama orang. Bang, quiet. The adults still talking now.
Wow.
Save your energy because you will spend your energy.
What's special about this beach? Oh, that's the one they said.
Oh,
It's so nice. Wow. Hebat yo.
Oh, banyak banget orang buset. Mobil semuanya. Ini mah naik sepeda nggak bisa kesini orang-orang.
You bring sepeda.
Ini kalau orang kentang-kentang nggak berani kesini.
This is what we're up to.
So this is actually at the middle of the ocean, yeah?
Iya. We are.
You can swim, go to Philippines. Ya ampun. I was swab test, ya.
No, in the sea not swim test. You just swim.
That's why.
But I
Kalau
think
nanti
it's
nyampe Filipina udah langsing banget nanti.
Wow.
Nah, mereka masih punya project kan, makanya nggak bisa tiap pagi kesini.
This place is not yet fully done, fully completed. So in the morning, they don't allow guests to come in. So usually they open the gate at 4 o'clock in the afternoon until 7 o'clock in the evening. Because in the morning, they are doing the construction and all that. And in the afternoon, they open for the guests.
Ada proyek banyak, makanya nggak boleh kita kesini tiap pagi. Itu diambil. Kita di belakang mereka aja nih. Si Koko ketawa lagi.
Pinggir kok, pinggir.
Okay.
Where are you, Bang?
In the beach.
Oh, you want to swim?
Yes. Because I want to find seashells.
Juga benar dong.
I hope you enjoyed watching our vlog 11 for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video, and this gives you information. Just a disclaimer, this video was actually the second time we went into this place. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you. Happy New Year.